Americans overpay for car insurance by billions of dollars per year. And with car insurance prices rising over 20% each year, inflation is impacting everyone. Here's the problem with traditional car insurance companies. They spend billions a year on advertising and have high operating costs. What's more, your high-cost premium goes to paying out bad drivers. This forces you to pay top dollar. For what? Ads? The top 5 insurance companies spend $5 billion on ads every year. It's time for something better. Good Driver Mutuality was created to reward good drivers with major cost savings. Here's how it works. GDM is for good drivers who own their car. Simply pair your current liability insurance with our mutuality sharing program. By utilizing AI technology, we replace 95% of the manpower most companies require, which reduces our operational costs by 20%. Paired with our intuitive app that members can access 24/7. Here is how it works. Your 6-month quote is broken up into 3 brackets so you always know where your money is going. If you do have an eligible incident, you will pay the full pledge amount plus deduction. The rest of the repair cost will be covered by fellow members collectively. If you do have an eligible event, the community helps each other and covers the cost collectively. Why? We aren't insurance. We are mutuality. Our members have access to quality repair shops nationwide. Getting repairs done is seamless. If you're ready to join the Good Drivers Club and save big, contact the Good Driver Alliance team today.